Welcome to the Devpeak Technologies tutorial on purchasing and downloading EDA component models on Devpeak.com. While this tutorial will focus on EDA component model products, this purchase and download process really applies to any software downloadable item available on Devpeak. Overall, the purchase and download process is really rather intuitive and is similar to most other internet shopping experiences. In general, you select products, add them to your shopping cart, enter payment and shipping information, and then finally check out. Our site will then send you a confirmation email of your order, and when your payment information clears, we'll send you an email with the download links to the EDA models that you've purchased. Now, if you're only purchasing software downloadable items, then no shipping or fees will be presented. However, if you're also purchasing physical products, then these shipping options and fees will be applied. But in general, shipping fees don't apply to software downloadable items. Now let's run through a quick example. Say you want to purchase the EDA component model for a Xilinx Vertex FPGA. If we start from the home page, use the Devpeak eStore search to search for the Vertex keyword. We can pull up all the components that have fields that match that keyword. And in this case, all the products with Vertex in the description fields. Let's just simply select the first product and add that to our shopping cart. Let's again use the Devpeak eStore search and add another product. Say we're looking for a USB hub component. We can pull up all the products that match those keywords. Again, let's just simply select the first product here, which happens to be the model for a 4-port USB hub from Texas Instruments, and add that to our shopping cart. Now we want to complete the purchase process. We do this by clicking through to our shopping cart, which shows us a page that summarizes the products that we've selected. This screen also gives us the opportunity to enter a coupon code if we're maybe using a purchase certificate or a promotional coupon code issued by Devpeak. Purchase certificates are available in the Devpeak eStore and provide additional checkout convenience and speed for corporate project-based billing and reimbursement processes, and basically saves the engineer from having to enter a credit card in every purchase. If everything looks correct in the shopping cart, we can click through to Checkout. At this point, if we haven't already logged in or registered, this screen will prompt us to do so. For my demonstration purposes, I'm going to use a previously created login. The next screen again shows us our shopping cart, and in my case, since the address associated with my account is in the state of Minnesota, tax has been applied. If the shipping address on your account is outside of the state of Minnesota in the US, then no tax will be applied. This screen also prompts the customer for a payment method. Devpeak.com uses PayPal for credit card transactions and of course PayPal direct billing, as well as Google Checkout. For this tutorial, let's select PayPal. Since we're only purchasing software downloadable products, the next screen in the checkout process skips directly to the checkoff of the product sales terms and conditions. If we were actually purchasing physical product that had to be shipped, then we'd also be prompted here on the Devpeak website for the shipping option and the verification of the shipping address. But in this case, we'll simply check off on this agreement and confirm the order. At this point, the customer has transitioned to the Devpeak PayPal checkout page for entry of either the credit card information or the PayPal payment information. Devpeak Technologies is extremely focused on providing an online environment with which customers feel safe when executing an online transaction. Our site is SSL encrypted and will show the lock symbol in the address bar of your browser, indicating that the customer is on our official website. Likewise, during the purchase process, when their customers transition to PayPal or Google Checkout, the SSL encrypted lock symbol will also be present. At no time during the checkout process is the customer on a non-SSL encrypted website connection. Additionally, for the PayPal and Google Checkout payment methods, no credit card information is entered or stored on Devpeak.com. For additional detail, please see our privacy and information use policies on our website. So finally, here on the Devpeak PayPal page, the customer simply enters their payment information, and then clicks through to Review and Continue. At this point, depending on if you have a PayPal account or not, it may prompt you to log into your PayPal account again. Or you can just simply continue with your credit card transaction. Finally, it will ask you to sign off on the purchase process, and we'll give you a PayPal payment receipt number, and also provide you a link through which you can return to devpeak.com. And that fundamentally completes our purchase process for our online transaction. Assuming everything goes correctly with the confirmation of payment information, in just a quick moment the customer should receive a few different emails to the email address supplied with the account registration. So for my example here, I've pulled up Outlook and I've received those emails. The first two emails are really just a confirmation of the customer's order. It's the third email that contains the download links to the purchased EDA component models. If we pull up this email, we'll see the purchased EDA models and the corresponding links. If we click through the first download link, we'll be taken to a devpeak.com web page that allows us to download the EDA model. Now, if we've utilized the link in the email, the download ID should automatically be filled in on this web page. So all we need to do is click Start Download, and the EDA model will be downloaded to our computer. In this case, I'm downloading it to a folder named Demo. Now all we have to do is go back to our download link email, click through the second link, basically repeating the process. And we've downloaded our two EDA models, and we've completed the purchase and download process. If you have any questions or problems or issues, feel free to contact us. Thank you.